How a diabetes pill became Hollywood's obsession. 2023, a diabetes medication, Ozempic, for diabetics. Hollywood discovers it makes you skinny. Kim Kardashian, Elon Musk, everyone's using it. Global shortage. Diabetics can't find their life-saving medication. And the company that makes it, more valuable than Tesla. Welcome to the Monopoly Files, where a pill meant to save lives became a vanity drug for the rich, and the people who need it can't find it. Today, Ozempic, how Big Pharma accidentally created Hollywood's drug of choice. 2012, Novo Nordisk, Danish pharmaceutical giant, developing semaglutide for type 2 diabetes, clinical trials, testing effectiveness, side effect discovered. Patients lose massive amounts of weight, not a little, 15 to 20% body weight. Novo Nordisk realizes this is bigger than diabetes. Ozempic approved for diabetes. Same drug, higher dose. Wegovy, approved for weight loss. 2022-2023, TikTok explodes. Ozempic face, weight loss transformations. Celebrities suddenly skinny, Kim Kardashian, Oprah, Elon Musk. Everyone denies it. Everyone's using it. Demand explodes. Pharmacies can't keep up. And diabetics can't find their medication. On the Monopoly board, they created a medicine for players losing. The winners stole it for vanity. 2023, Hollywood's worst-kept secret. Red carpets, Met Gala. Celebrities suddenly thin. Their explanation? Clean eating, Pilates, sure. Reality, private doctors prescribing Ozempic off-label for weight loss, even though it's for diabetes. Price, USA, $1,000 per month. Europe, $100, same drug, 10x the price in America. Insurance, doesn't cover weight loss, only diabetes. So, the wealthy pay cash. Diabetics, ration their doses. Black market emerges. Fake Ozempic. People die from counterfeits. Seized in Austria, UK, China. Meanwhile, diabetics testify, I've been diabetic 15 years. Can't find my medication. Because celebrities want to be skinny. A life-saving drug became a status symbol. On the Monopoly board, the rich took medicine from community chest, left nothing for the sick. Novo Nordisk, 2020 valuation, $150 billion, 2024, $570 billion, tripled in 3 years, more valuable than Tesla. Walmart, LVMH, Denmark's GDP increased 2% from one company. 2023 profits, $14 billion, production facilities, can't keep up. Waiting lists, 6+ months. CEO Lars Fruergaard Jørgensen, we're working to expand production while printing money. Stock price, vertical, investors, euphoric, competitors scrambling. Eli Lilly launches Mounjaro, same effect, also shortage. Projected market by 2030, $100 billion in weight loss drugs. Survey shows 1 in 8 Americans want Ozempic. Healthcare system, can't handle it. Diabetics, still waiting. On the Monopoly board, they found the richest property and built hotels while patients waited. 2023. WHO declares shortage crisis. Global shortage. Every continent. Diabetic forums, support groups. Where can I find Ozempic? I'm rationing, running out. Pharmacies turning diabetics away. Doctors face dilemma, prescribe for vanity or save for diabetics. Many choose money. Black market explodes. Fake Ozempic produced in China, Russia, underground labs, deaths reported Austria, UK, counterfeit injections, contaminated, wrong dosage, lethal. FDA warning, don't buy Ozempic online. Online ads everywhere. TikTok influencers, cheap Ozempic. Here, killing people. Novo Nordisk statement, use official channels only, while unable to supply official channels. On the Monopoly board, counterfeits kill players. Nobody goes to jail, just thoughts and prayers. But beyond shortages and deaths, a cultural shift. TikTok. Ozempic, billions of views. My Ozempic journey, dramatic transformations. Comments split. You look amazing. This is dystopian. Body positivity movement, conflicted, fought for acceptance. Now, pills for perfection. Plastic surgeons see Ozempic face,
As you can see,
rapid weight loss, saggy skin, gaunt. New procedures boom, fillers, skin tightening, post-Ozempic treatments. Eating disorder experts warn this is dangerous. Glorifying pharmaceutical weight loss. Young people, demand access, reports, teens using Ozempic for vanity. Long-term effects? Unknown. It's been 2 years since mass use. Nobody knows what happens after 10 years. Studies emerging, muscle loss, bone density issues, and if you stop, weight comes back.
Weight comes back.
It's not a cure. It's a subscription.
It's not a cure.
On the Monopoly board, they created a luxury tax, 1,000 month forever, or gain the weight back. So what's the lesson? Miracle drugs aren't miracles. They're business models. Novo Nordisk, $14 billion profit. Diabetics, can't find medication. Celebrities, skinny. Diabetics, rationing doses. Rich pay $1,000 a month for vanity. Poor pay $100 for survival, if they can find it. This isn't a healthcare story. It's a class story. Wealth determines who gets medicine, even when it's meant for the sick. Ozempic isn't just a drug. It's a symbol of how healthcare prioritizes profit over patients. Questions ignored. Long-term effects unknown. Ethical access ignored. Diabetic suffering acceptable collateral because the profits are too big to care. $570 billion valuation. Triumph of capitalism or indictment of it? On the Monopoly board, they created a pill for players losing the game. The winners stole it. The losers, still losing. Just sicker now. Ozempic, meant to save diabetics, became Hollywood's secret. Diabetics can't find it. Novo Nordisk, worth $570 billion. And Kim Kardashian lost 10 kilos. Next, Boeing. 346 people dead, 2 crashes, 737 MAX. Boeing knew the plane was defective. Internal messages. This plane designed by clowns, supervised by monkeys. Blamed pilots. CEO Dennis Muilenburg keeps $62 million. No one goes to prison. Whistleblower John Barnett, found dead in his car, day before testifying against Boeing, officially suicide. Family, he'd never kill himself. 346, dead. Boeing knew, whistleblower dead. On the Monopoly board, some companies kill 346 players, blame the dice, and the witness dies before talking. This was the Monopoly Files. Ozempic prioritized vanity over diabetics. Boeing prioritized profit over safety. Both kept their billions. You keep the consequences. Subscribe.